Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can save custom outfits on Roblox. So the first thing that you will do is open your Roblox and then you will go to roblox.com/my and /avatar. And now that you're here, what you will do is basically just customize your avatar by selecting the clothing, the accessories, faces, and body parts and all that stuffs. And then after that, after you're done and you're satisfied with your current avatar, what you will do is you will go to creations, which is right here, and then what you will do is you will click create new character and just basically name your outfit whatever you want. So it can be literally random, it can be anything, and then you will just have to click create, which is right here. And yeah, that's basically it, and now you will be able um to have your custom outfit on Roblox. And yeah, that's it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.